Ever been caught off guard with a dead portable charger when you needed it most? The Halo Bolt Wall Plug AC charger adapter promises to keep your devices fully powered and ready for action whenever you need them. Designed as a reliable replacement for your Halo Bolt portable charger, this adapter ensures you never miss a moment, especially during emergencies or outdoor adventures. I've personally relied on Halo products for years, and when my original charger finally gave out after 5 years of heavy use, finding a dependable replacement was crucial. The Halo Bolt Wall charger didn't just fit perfectly, it came with a convenient 4-foot-long cord, making it easier to charge in any setting. Its compatibility with a wide voltage range of 100 to 240 volts means it works seamlessly whether you're at home or traveling abroad. Plus, it's built with safety in mind, preventing overcharging and offering peace of mind during every charge cycle. What stands out about this charger is its versatility. While it's tailored for Halo Bolt devices, it also supports many other products that require AC power. Backed by a 90-day limited manufacturer's warranty, this charger is a quality investment in keeping your gear ready for whatever life throws at you. If you're looking for a hassle-free, trustworthy replacement charger that delivers consistent power and convenience, the Halo Bolt Wall Plug AC charger adapter is worth a look. Try it when you're ready to upgrade your charging setup and stay powered up without interruptions.